I'm actually still totally blown away because I've just driven the great CUPRA Raval for the first time. What I'm still missing though, I'll show you after the intro. On that note, welcome to the product presentation, or rather, the product development of the frunk for the great CUPRA Raval. It really has become a great car. CUPRA has really delivered something here. Great interior, a great boo with a great double loading floor. Only if you want to have things like the charging cable, which you don't need often, or extra high-vis vests or other small items quickly accessible, and then the boot is possibly packed full, then you can't get to the double loading floor. And that's why we've now set out and are also planning a great frunk for the Raval. If we now take a closer look at the dimensions, it's really quite remarkable. The frunk will be about 96 centimetres in width, 96 centimetres. Towards the back, about 34 centimetres, and downwards, naturally a bit different. Here about 20 centimetres at the deep point. Here, over the cooling compressor, it will be 10 centimetres, enough so that you can still fit the charging cable in here quite well. As always, our frunk will be very easy to insert, installed in just a few steps and taken out again. It will then be made, as always, in a non-flammable plastic called ABS Vero. In any case, you can say that a really great, valuable space is created under the bonnet. If you're interested, maybe subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned, then you won't miss a thing. You're Joseph from the company frunk.at.